Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and a shimmering river, lived a young woman named Elara. Elara was known throughout the village for her unyielding faith in the universe. She believed that the stars held secrets and that destiny was written in their twinkling light. Elara's village was peaceful, but recently had been overshadowed by a mysterious darkness. Crops began to fail. The river's flow slowed, and a chilling wind swept through the village, bringing a sense of unease. The villagers, once joyous and full of life, grew anxious and fearful. One night, as Elara gazed at the sky, she noticed a star that shone brighter than the rest.
It pulsed with a warm, golden light, unlike anything she had ever seen. She felt a surge of hope and a whisper in her heart, "Believe in the light, and it will guide you." Determined to uncover the source of the village's troubles, Elara decided to follow the star. With a small pack and a heart full of faith, she set out on her journey. The path was treacherous, filled with dense forests, steep mountains, and raging rivers. But Elara's belief never wavered. She knew the universe had a plan. After days of travel, Elara arrived at an ancient temple hidden deep within a forgotten valley. The temple, though weathered by time, exuded a powerful energy. She entered and found herself in a grand hall, illuminated by the same golden light she had seen in the star. In the center stood an old, wise-looking man with eyes that seemed to hold the wisdom of ages.
"Welcome, Elara," the man said, his voice echoing with warmth and kindness. "I am the keeper of light. The darkness that plagues your village is the result of lost hope and dwindling faith. The universe sent you here because you carry the light within your heart." The keeper explained that the village's troubles could be dispelled by reigniting the flame of belief among its people. He handed Elara a small, ornate lantern, its flame dancing with the same golden light. "Take this lantern," he instructed, "and let its light shine through the hearts of your people. Restore their faith, and the darkness will be banished." With the lantern in hand, Elara journeyed back to her village. As she arrived, the villagers gathered, curious about her adventure. She held up the lantern, its light casting a warm, golden glow over everyone. "People of our village," Elara began, "the universe has not forsaken us. This light is a symbol of our faith and hope. Believe in its power, and we will overcome this darkness together." Moved by her words and the radiant light, the villagers began to feel a renewed sense of hope. They shared stories of their dreams, their wishes, and their faith in the universe. Slowly but surely, the river began to flow stronger. The crops started to flourish, and the chilling wind turned into a gentle breeze. The village was revived, not just by the physical changes, but by the renewed spirit and collective belief of its people. Elara's journey reminded them all that faith, when nurtured and shared, has the power to transform even the darkest of times. And so, the village thrived once more, with the golden light of belief shining brightly in their hearts, guiding them through any challenge that came their way. Elara's unwavering faith in the universe became a legend, a reminder that sometimes and that, dear viewers, is the story of the light of belief.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring tales. Until next time, keep believing and stay radiant.